Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I am doing a eyeshadow look. This one right here, I'm pretty much going to show you guys step by step what I do and how I do my cut creases. If you guys want to see how I do that, keep watching. I'm also going to show some new contacts that I got, and I'm super excited to show you them because they look so good. Watch till the end of the video to see that, and yeah, so let's get started. So I already prepped my eyelids. I used the Wet n Wild concealer and then I set it with the Sephora amplifying powder. So for the crease part, I'm going to be using my Daisy Marcus palette, and I use the color Cocoa and Matter. So I'm going to go in with Cocoa, and I'm only going to apply it on my crease. And it's okay if you go a little messy because we're going to clean that up in the end. So once you finish putting on the color Cocoa, it should look like this. And now I'm going to go in with the color Matter and just go right over Cocoa with it. Now I'm going to go back in with Cocoa and kind of just blend out the Matter and Cocoa. Once you're done with the eyeshadow part on your crease, grab any Vaseline and then grab a couple of Q-tips. And what I like to do is I grab a clump and then I put it in the back of my hand. I swirl it on here and I grab a thin amount of Vaseline, and so now this is what you're going to use to carve out the shape of the cut crease. Okay, so once you carve out the shape you want, it's going to look like this. There might still be a little bit of Vaseline left on your eyelid. Go in with another clean Q-tip and wipe off any extra. So now for the actual cut crease part, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild concealer, and I have a concealer brush, and I'm going to put a little amount on the tip. And then you're just going to outline that entire line. And then so once I have that on there, I don't like to use too much concealer because then it just makes it look really thick. So now I'm going to go in with a little beauty blender. And then that's how it comes out. If you want, you can go ahead and add the color that you want on here. But I like to set it just because my eyelids get greasy and then my eyeshadow does not stay. So same thing, I'm going in with the Sephora amplifying powder. So now I'm gonna go in with the Madison Beer eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going in with my Madison Beer palette by Morphe, and I'm going to be using this color right here on the outside and this one on the inside. Then now this is what it looks like right now, and I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera and I will come back once I'm ready to do like the bottom part of the eyeshadow. Okay, so now that I did the rest of my makeup, I went ahead and popped on some lashes. So now, since the lashes that I use, I do cut them halfway because I don't like them poking the inner corner of my eye. So I'm gonna go in with Wet n Wild brown liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna just like that because it closes my eye inside and it gives it more of a cat eye effect. So for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna go back in with the Madison Beer palette, and I'm gonna use this one right here. And that just goes all underneath. So now that I did the bottom lashes, I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara, the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and this one is amazing. And now you can leave it like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a black line connecting this right here. I always do this part last because I don't want it to look super clean. I rather it look a little bit buffed out. Now I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Cake Pencil, and I'm gonna put black eyeliner on both of my top and bottom waterline. That is the finished eyeshadow look. And now I'm gonna show you guys my contacts, which are gonna make this look so much better. So I got some contacts from Ttdeye, and I got two different colors. These are the two colors I got. So one is a blue and then one is a brown. Contact solution for 24 hours. They were very strict on that, so I did that, so I no longer have the package that it actually came in. Each one had one of these to put them inside of, and the first one is the brown one. It looks kind of yellow, but that is so that it'll show up in your eye. This is the Egypt blue. And this one is so beautiful too, and it also looks so natural. So I'm gonna try on the blue one first to show you guys. So I'm gonna take off my clear contacts. Also, when you go on the site, you can look up whatever contacts you want, and then it'll give you the option to choose which prescription you use. So these are the blue ones, like they're so blue. So these are the Egypt blue contacts, and they just like insane. Like look at how real they look. So now I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna show you the other pair. And these are the second pair of contacts. I scratched myself right here, so I swear my makeup matches. I just really have really sensitive skin, and it'll turn red whenever I scratch it. These are the second set of contacts, and look how crazy these look. And same thing, these also have prescription in them. So if you guys want any of these contacts, I will have them all linked down below. I will have the main site, and then I'll do both individually linked down there. You can use code Natalie10 for many off. These contacts are supposed to last a year if you take care of them. Their contacts aren't really that expensive. They're pretty affordable depending on the style and color that you want. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of me, don't forget to follow me on all social media. The main one that I really do post a lot on is TikTok, so I will also have that link down below. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all social media. Links are always in the description. And yeah, thank you guys.